Welcome to Stitch the Season in 2025 online workshop, where we create a fabric book. We're almost at the tail end of this workshop. Today is prompt 9, and that is ornament. We'll create the ornament on the back of the book. I can't wait to show you how I did it with salvaged fabrics.
So now we have the cover, which is still blank, the inside cover, the back inside cover, and now I want to work on the back of the cover. It's ornament, and I happen to have a piece of fabric that I put some fusible interfacing on of an ornament, and the colors are similar. We've got the red and the green, and the white and the cream. So I'm going to cut around here. I've already put some fusible web on the back, so I can just peel that off. And then I could fuse it down, but I'm going to stitch it down. It barely fits, so I might trim the shape just so that it's not pointed here. It'll fit a little better on my page. So I'll cut it out. And I'll just trim a little bit off the top here too. And there, it fits a little better. So now I can stitch that in place. Before I do that, I want to just embellish it a little further. I have some gold ribbon here. I think I'll make a little cap for the ornament. And then a little ribbon to hang it with. So I'll stitch this down, and I might come back and embellish the tree just a little bit. So I stitched all around, made my little ornament cap, and now I want to add just a few little beads onto that tree, just to look like Christmas lights. So I'll add a few going up the tree. So I added some little beads to look like Christmas lights, and my back cover is done. So now, off camera, I'm just going to attach this back page by stitching right around the edge. And for our final prompt, we'll work on the front cover.
So that's how I created ornament for the fabric book. I can't wait to see your work, so please snap a photo and post it in our Facebook group. And thanks for joining me today.